Winds southerly at about 15 with gusts of 25 miles an hour. Barometric pressure 30.00 and is rising. And no precipitation. We're about a half inch behind, correction, a half inch ahead for the year, and 1 53/100ths behind for the year so far. We'll be looking for a little bit of a change tomorrow and the possibility of some scattered showers. Today, of course, there's nothing showing up on the radar. However, the satellite photo was pretty interesting for the western half of the U.S. Rain showers and thunder showers along that frontal system and that wide band of fairly heavy snows. Now, what will happen each time that you see the frontal system on there, that begins at 6 o'clock in the morning, and then you'll see the cloud pattern move until 2 o'clock this afternoon. So as of that time, of course, the front was way out in the northwest. Now,
well, if I decide to start fishing for carp, I know where to go. This place is just full of them. It's like a tiny little creek, and it is just full of these things. Well, this is not creek fishing. I was actually supposed to fish up there at the little pond, lake sort of looking thing, but came to check out this creek. Looks pretty good. I can imagine when the water level's high, there's a lot of action here. I want to give a huge shout out to my buddy Ben. He told me about this place. See, this is the weirdest kind of lake looking thing I've ever seen. Look at that. Lake is up top. That's the barrier. This is where it's supposed to be. This is like the dam. Anyways, I'm gonna go check out the lake a little bit further up. This is not where I came in. Definitely not where I came in. Wowzer. Well, something just moved here. Oh, it's a huge carp. He's swimming. Like I said, this might turn into a carp episode, which isn't too bad. I mean, carp are pretty fun to catch. Don't get me wrong. I'm just not targeting them right now. Okay. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go grab my stuff and head up this way. Seems to be that I'm fishing in the wrong spot. Little creek here seems to be where all the action might be. So, the mouth of this whole little, I think it's called a lake, I'm not sure if we can categorize it as a lake, but definitely had a little bass on. My goodness, the wind today though, wow. It is just hammering. Apparently there's like another tropical storm or something in the ocean again. So here's the deal. Here's what I'm throwing today. Well, right now. I'm throwing this 5-inch craw. It's actually a Canadian-made craw. Anyways, yeah, I'm throwing this, and there was like a 7-inch bass trying to eat this. I don't know if I'll downsize or maybe just hope to catch the big one. We'll see how it plays out. This definitely looks a lot better than any of the other spots on the lake. It's where it channels in, I guess, or it goes out. A little mouth here. Creek. Of course. Okay, let's go with weightless worm then. Always seems to work in these small little ponds here. Okay, let the Dinkfest begin. Oh, he's actually not a bad one at all. Look at that guy. Not a bad little bass at all. Not a bad little fella. And you can be on your way, little buddy. And let's continue. See what the biggest fish we can get out of here is. Oh, there's another one. Nice little guy. I don't know why Lake Fork I like smelling them. They don't exactly smell that good. Look at that wind! Ooh. This one's a feisty one, ain't you? Not bad at all for this little creek here. Beautiful. And off you go. Whoa. What are you? You are a stick. No wonder it wasn't fighting. It's a stick. Oh, got my stick. It ain't a fishing trip till you catch a stick. Man, I don't know what I'm dealing with here, man, but it's definitely biting. Come on. So this one's the one that was bothering and bothering. No wonder. No wonder I couldn't catch you. Look at you, you're a baby. Tiny little baby. Wow, this guy's full of life though. There you go. Little baby largie. You've got to be kidding me. You guys obviously didn't see that. There was a bluegill stuck to my worm. A Senko with a 3/0 hook. He wasn't on the hook, but he was biting the... Wow. Probably a bluegill. Oh no, that one's a bass. That one's a bass. Spiked me. Little guy there. Wow, look at that tail. That is one big flipper. Off you go, buddy. Okay, last cast in this spot here, and then I gotta move. Let's get out of this hole where it's getting dark and go back to the main area here of this pond slash lake slash I don't know what it is. Well, there's definitely fish in this little pond here. Not sure if what I caught that's, you know, as big as they are here, or if there's bigger ones. There's definitely fish though. Okay, I will quickly make my way down to the other side. Just do a couple casts over there before it gets too dark and they close the park down and lock me inside. Well, how can you not come over here and do a few casts, man? This looks amazing. Plus, look at this view, man. Getting a tiny, tiny little bite here. I'm not sure what it is. There goes the geese. Oh, here's a good one. Oh, here's a good one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that was a good fish. Wow. Man, I couldn't even set the hook. I thought I was stuck. Wow, man. Seriously, I thought I was stuck. Well, that would have been something, eh? Finish the day off with that 4-pounder here. What a day, man. Honestly, I was expecting nothing much. out of this place here, but caught a few small ones, nice ones, and then I get hit by this huge bass. And honestly, I couldn't even set the hook. I was not expecting a fish that big to come out of here. Whoa! So I thought I was stuck. So I didn't even set the hook. I kind of just twitched it so that, and it was enough to just get him in the corner of the lip there, but not good enough. And yeah, I saw him. Huge mouth came out gaping, but couldn't set the hook on that. This is a bit of a new place, so it says they close the gate at dusk. Not sure what they consider dusk, if this or a little bit darker, but just to be on the safe side, I'm going to head out. You know what though? I'm definitely going to come back here. This place is pretty good, pretty decent actually. I don't know if they allow like canoes and stuff or inflatables in there. That'd be pretty sweet. Next time I come, I might just fish over on that side the whole time.